Hi, to enable and disable Find My Device on the Xiaomi Mix Flip, we would need to go in the settings first, and here just scroll down so you could see it as Google tab. Now, if you haven't signed in your Google account yet, then do it now because you need to see this setting. Without signing in, you won't be able to see those features. So, after you signed in, just go in this Find My Device tab, select it, and here you'll find this feature, Use Find My Device. Now it is enabled and we can disable it by tapping on the switcher. But as you can see, if you lose this device or any connected fast pair accessories, you can use this feature to locate them. And if you tap this option, you can check more information about this feature. And also you can enable to find your offline devices. Here you can select one of these several options. For example, without network, like that, or turned off. And here you can find your Find My Device app. Just tap on it, sign in your Google account, and you'll be able to use it. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.